In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily see whom you are currently following on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app. After that, tap at your profile picture to go to your Facebook profile page, and then tap at this three dots button. That's where you can easily find activity log. Just get into it. Then tap at connections. Scroll down a bit and then tap at manage followers. What that will do, that will show you your followers and your followings. To filter them, tap right here at filters, select categories, and then select who you followed and unfollowed. That will show you the history of all your followings and unfollowings. So then you can just scroll down to check all that list. You might have noticed that all this data are sorted in chronological order. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.